Jatend duond bura mar Wiper Patriotic Front Kalonzo Musyoka koro wacho ni kweth jotelo makwedo sirkal biro lando jala madhi fwadho bendera margi ne laro kom jatend piny e yiero ma higa 2027. Kalonzo bende oyango ni kwethno biro medo wuoyo e duol achiel ka en owuon bende en kod adiera ni en ema idhi miye benderano.
And I make this commitment to you. By the first quarter of 2026, the name of a presidential candidate will be made known to Kenyans. I think it's only fair that we work in that direction. And I want to say that I personally do everything possible to hold our team together. Let me also be abundantly clear. I am running for President of the Republic of Kenya. That's an obvious fact. Because I was given a direct mandate on October 10, 2025 by the National Delegates Congress of the now revamped, re-energized Wiper Patriotic Front.